In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove members to an Outlook contact group. If you use email regularly, contact groups are a great way to send messages to multiple people without typing every single address each time. Instead of adding each contact manually whenever you send an email, you can create a group once, then simply update it as people join or leave your team. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to add new members to an existing group and how to remove people you no longer want included. First, open Outlook on your computer. Make sure you're in the Mail view or the main Outlook window. At the bottom or side of the screen, look for the icon that takes you to your contacts. Depending on your version, this might be labeled People or Contacts. Click that to open your list of contacts and groups. Once you're in the People or Contacts section, locate the contact group you want to edit. This might be a team list, a project group, or any distribution list you've already created. You can scroll through your contacts or use the search bar at the top and start typing the name of the group. When you see the group in the list, double-click it to open it. With the group window open, you'll see the current members listed. To add new members, look for an option on the toolbar that says Add Members. Click this, and you should see choices such as adding from your Outlook contacts, from your address book, or creating a new contact from scratch. Choose the source that makes the most sense for you. If the person is already in your contacts or your organization's address book, select that option and search for their name. Click on the correct entry, then choose OK or Add to include them in the group. If the person is not in your contacts yet, choose the option to create a new contact. Fill in their email address and any other details you want, and then save. They'll be added directly to the group. To remove someone from the contact group, click on their name in the members list to highlight it. Then look for the option that says Remove Member or similar and click it. The selected person will be taken out of the group, but they'll stay in your main contacts list unless you delete them separately. When you're done making changes, remember to save and close the group window. This ensures all your additions and removals are applied. Next time you send an email to this group, Outlook will use the updated list automatically.